Casey. Welcome.
Thank you for inviting me here.
Welcome to SolidWorks World.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, I would like to share a story of how technology can change someone's life.
What kind of technology is this, Casey?
I make robots,
I love robots.
especially ones that make people with a disability walk again.
And how did you get started?
Oh, I think
We need a clicker. Aren't you always finding that you lose the clicker?
one day I met a person on a wheelchair in my laboratory. He was basically a happy person, but I found his sorrow deep in his mind because of his disability. He was a professional tennis player before, but a car accident changed everything in one day. I studied engineering to help people. I suppose most of you have the same dream. So I called all my students and said, hey guys, it's time for us to make something real for him.
Wow, that's amazing.
So we started working on the design with SolidWorks.
And you're a controls engineer, so SolidWorks is your hobby?
Kind of. So design is my hobby, and the SolidWorks makes my hobby really easy.
Wow, this is amazing, your use of mates here.
So I hope you can enjoy all the movies here because it is all about SolidWorks. So we design and make and controls. Now
Wow.
it's time to go.
Wow, that is amazing.
Thank you.
I love working for SolidWorks. We have such cool customers.
This is the final specification of the robot called walk-on suit. The best thing that I'm really proud of is that it is actually by a hybrid actuation system, which makes the actuation power and efficiency really good. But the technology was not the end of the story because think about it. He has been sitting on a wheelchair for 20 years, and he does not have any feeling from his body, his lower body. So he completely forgot how to maintain the balance. But after 1 month and 2 months and 3 months later, he started walking again.
Wow, that is just amazing. He must be so happy. What did he do next?
He was happy, but he wanted to show that he realized his dream to the world. So he participated in Cybathlon 2016.
And Cybathlon, that's that amazing robotics competition where people completely paraplegic compete, right?
Yes,
in a series
that's
of
right.
events.
And let's see how he did it in the Cybathlon.
Wow. Wow, there's a little tension.
He completed almost all the missions and shout out, I can do it!
Wow. And he
Stepping
didn't
on
walk for
stone.
25 years before this. This is amazing.
Thank you.
And how's he doing now?
He became really famous in Korea. I think he's much more famous than me. And and he is an icon of making dreams come true.
Yeah,
in Korea.
it's tough to compete with a rock star.
And I kept working on the design.
And what did you do after Cybathlon? Can you explain that?
So the robot now has a better design. The user interface has been developed much more. And through the augmented reality glass called AR glass, you can watch what's going on in your body without watching the display on your body.
Wow, that is really fantastic, Casey.
Yeah.
Okay, so I notice, I think I'm about to be upstage. There's another device over here, a robot standing on stage. Can you tell the audience what this is all about?
So this robot is called Angelex. And let me turn on.
Wow. That's
So
going to
that-
be my new dance partner, I think. How did you develop that robot?
So that robot is completely different from the walk-on suit that I showed so far.
Okay.
I met another person in the laboratory. He was an elderly person, but he was not the complete paraplegic. So I had to develop something new that just lightly assists the human motion without much resistance. That's why I developed that
The
robot.
walk-on suit.
So I opened the SolidWorks again. I made another design.
Wow.
So I scanned the human body.
Yeah, I see you brought all that scan data into SolidWorks, and now you're working off the scan data to develop the walk-on suit.
Yeah. So everyone knows that SolidWorks has really good graphic user interface.
Yeah.
And then it comes with all the step file, IGS file, all these things. So
So-
I can use the 3D scanned file really easily.
And the
with SolidWorks.
simulation. Now you're a 15-year user of SolidWorks, so that's pretty amazing. You beat me a little bit there. This is great. And I know you probably can use the mirror technology. It's gotten so enhanced to do the left and right and what you want and don't want.
Right. I think that I like the SolidWorks because it comes with 3D printing so easy, and that robot must be customized for each single person. So we scan the human body, and then we import that data into SolidWorks, and then we 3D print really quick.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
So, thank you. And then after making something, and then we tune the parameter, it's time to go out to the world and to the audience.
So welcome, Soling Kim. Another great SolidWorks user, paraplegic specialist, orthopedic specialist.
So this robot is special in many aspects because it has very accurate actuation modules. So it follows your motion and assists when you need. If the assistance is not needed, this robot does not give you any resistance. That's the best feature of that robot. And also it detects your intention without biosensor, which means you don't have to attach any sensor on your body,
Okay.
which is really good. Currently, I'm working on the IoT technology for more fancy health monitoring functions.
Isn't this amazing? This is absolutely amazing.
Thank you, Charlene.
Thank you, Solin. And how did the elderly person we saw in the video, how's he doing now?
He likes it so much. So he has been practicing the robot for a month now. He became much more confident. Before, he was not confident whenever he faces like a cross or stairs and ramp or obstacles.
Okay.
Especially, he was very nervous about crossing the street because his gait speed was kind of too slow.
Wow, I wish my own father had something like this to help him walk as he got elderly. So what's next?
I'm a professor, and I'm at a company for commercializing this robot by myself. I hope in one day, so no one is worried about disability or getting old. So the assisted robot, like the Angelex, will be regarded as just glasses in the near future. That's my dream.
Wow. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So please be with me. I'll be open to anyone.
So you can see more about what Professor Casey Kong has done in the Partner Pavilion. And thank you all for being here at SolidWorks World.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done.
Thank you.